Ultimate Guide to Enjoying Bora Bora with Kids. Bora Bora, a stunning island in French Polynesia, is a paradise for families. It offers countless opportunities for adventure and leisure. Families can choose from luxurious overwater bungalows or more affordable guest houses. Overwater bungalows offer easy access to the lagoon and breathtaking views. Guest houses provide all the conveniences for a comfortable stay, including kitchens, living areas, and bedrooms. For a more immersive experience, families can opt for homestays to learn about local culture and customs. Kids can engage in a variety of activities, from land-based pursuits like trekking and rainforest exploration to water-based ones like snorkeling and paddleboarding. Guided snorkeling tours and paddleboarding excursions are available for families who want to explore the island's coral reefs and shallow waters. There are numerous eateries on Bora Bora that cater to families with young children. From upscale restaurants serving modern Polynesian cuisine to coastal cafes selling fresh seafood. Supermarkets are also available for families who prefer to cook their own meals. Families have a variety of transportation options. They can rent a car, bicycle, or even a boat to explore the island at their own pace. Bike routes pass through the thick rainforest and along the Blue Lagoon, providing breathtaking views. Bora Bora is a safe destination for families. However, it's advised to bring a first aid kit and bug repellent. Safety rules should be adhered to, especially during water activities and while exploring the island. In summary, Bora Bora is an excellent vacation spot for families. With a variety of activities, accommodations, and dining options, families will have many opportunities to create enduring memories. So pack your bags and experience the wonders and adventures of Bora Bora with your kids. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.